National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Bracken County, Pendleton County, until 2:15 p.m. At 1:47 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Falmouth, moving east at 20 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Falmouth, Brooksville, Butler, Morgan, Mount Auburn, Browning Corner, Willow Grove, Bradford, Powersville, Johnsville, Beaufort, Wolcott, Neves, Milford, Greenwood, Berlin, Lennoxburg, Santa Fe, Kincaid Lake State Park, and Foster.
Wherever. One good reason after.